one of the effects that you can add in inside of HitFilm is glow and inner glow. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a footage, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. So once I go around over here, I'm going to go around under the lights and flares folder right here, and here you can see that glow is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag up the glow over here on this particular footage, then you can see that I can go around and change around the intensity of the glow right here. So once I do that, I can also go around and change around the threshold of the glow, as you can see right here, and also the radius of the glow, as you can see right here, to make it much more softer. You can make the radius much more smaller or larger according to how you want right here. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can click and drag around to change around the radius over here, just like this as well. And you can change around the blending mode right here to change around how the blur actually looks right here. So there's per channel intensity as well. So for red you can have a certain intensity, for green you can have another intensity, and for blue you can have another intensity right here. And under advanced you can see that you can change around the horizontal and vertical effect right here, or both, as you can see right here. And you can go around and change around the color loops right here. You can go around and change around the colors right here, and so forth, as per how you like. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then you can work around with it. So there's color B right here as well. So let's go around and change that out a bit, and there's a subtle change over here, just like this. So that is how you can go around, and then you can use A and B colors right here, just like this, and then work around with this according to how you like right here. So there's the midpoint right here, there's color loops, as you can see right here, and you can get the effect, as you can see right here, and work around with the color fades as well. And that is how you can work around with the glow effect over here. So apart from that, you can see that there's inner glow over here as well. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out inside, then what happens is that you can go around and change around the color right here. So you can go around and choose the color that you like right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to choose yellow, and I'm going to go around and change around the size of it right here, just like this, and work around with the spread just like this as well. Then you can work around with offset over here, just like this as well, as you can see, or you can click and drag this around over here. And that is how you can work around with the glow and inner glow effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.